On today's video, we are going to learn how to add multiple trips under mini cart on the checkout page on WordPress Pro. WordPress Pro has added exciting multiple checkout feature. This feature will allow the customer to add multiple cart items for booking in a single checkout. With this feature, you can book more than one cart item trips, for example in our case during checkout. This feature will be very useful to the user who wants to book different trips at the same time at single checkout. To use the multiple checkout feature available in WordPress Pro, please follow this step-by-step guide. To use the multiple checkout feature, you need to enable the Enable Multiple Checkout option by going to WordPress and Settings, and from there to Checkout tab. Here you'll be able to see Enable Multiple Checkout option. Now the point to be noted here is that you will only be able to see this option if you have enabled WordPress Pro version of the plugin. So make sure you enable this option and save your settings. After that, head over Trips and from there to All Trips and choose a trip of your choice and simply head over to the front end page. And from your front end page, click on this Book Now and select the pricing and also a packs, and finally click on Book Now. Now you will be directed towards your checkout page. And now to add another trip to minicart, go back to itinerary page and select the trip along with required packs again. So here you can see you have another trip opened, and when we click on Book Now and select the pricing, also a packs. And now when we are directed towards our checkout page, you can see our previous trip is also added in the same minicart section. And all you need to do is just fill in all these details, and after that you need to click on Book Now. Now once your booking is made, the number of trips made using multiple checkout option will be shown in this thank you page. Now in case this thank you page is not appearing on your side, you can follow the steps to enable a thank you page. So to create a thank you page, all you need to do is just head over to WordPress and Settings, and in the Generals tab, scroll a little bit down until you find the thank you page option. Now the point to be noted here is that thank you page settings will only be available in the WordPress Pro version of the plugin. And to know more about WordPress Pro, please refer to the link in the description or could be seen on your screen. Just copy this shortcode and go to Pages and add new. Here you need to add a title and just paste the shortcode that you copied. And now we are pretty much done. So you can see our thank you page is added, and now we have to do our final step. Just go to WordPress and Settings and back to General section, scroll to the bottom, and from the thank you page section, just select the thank you page that you added. Now the contents will be shown on the thank you page separately. Save your settings, and now from your checkout section, when you will make a booking, you can see the thank you page is now appeared. All of the trips will also be included in the email received after booking of the trips. So that's how you add a thank you page, and I hope you learned something new in this video. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Until next time, peace.